In this video, we'll talk about how to register with AAAFx. Go to AAAFx.com, then click on Join Now located at the top right corner. As you can see, we are redirected to AAAFx registration portal. Here, enter your first and last name. Now, enter a valid email address and a password of your choice. Make sure your password complies with the set terms. And then enter your phone number and finally select the country from the list. Click to register. Now, enter the OTP you received on your registered email. You can copy and paste the OTP from your email to complete your registration. As you can see, the account has been successfully created. This was a brief overview of how you can register on AAAFx. For any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support.